Good day everybody, this is Peter from RV Finders here today, and it's a beautiful lovely sunny day here in Canterbury, Christchurch, and today I bring you another great motorhome. It's a German engineered build Burstner, and it's an iXeo 724. So please follow me and I'll show you around. The Burstner iXeo 724 is a 2012 model, and it has alloy wheels, and it is also a 180 horsepower 2.3 liter diesel. And I'll take you around. You can see a lovely entrance door. It looks a bit different. It's the iXeo Plus, so it's got that really nice stylish rail on top, and another nice feature of the motorhome on the outside, it's got a fairly large capacity boot, and with a spare wheel, which you will see in a moment there, and it's got an extra toilet cassette, the ladder, and I'll show you a little bit more about the bed a bit later. And it's got another entry hatch on the other side. Then on the back it's got this lovely Yamaha two bike bike rack, as well as a reverse camera, as you can see there. It's self-contained, obviously, comes all on-road cost, everything included. The electrical certificate is up to date. It's got the semi-solar, which I'll show you in a moment, so which is really great. Those are in the excess of $4,000 or $5,000, so it's a nice feature and extra to have on this lovely, beautiful, well looked after Burstner. So let's go inside and I'll show you more. So the iXeo has got the electric step, entry door, really now spacious leather. It's all genuine leather, these. Really great lounge area, with some storage up there, another skylight there. This is only a 7.4 meter motorhome, and I'll show you now in a moment when the table is extended. It's got a radio CD built in, as well as there's your reverse camera monitor. If we swing around, you can see the lounge area. Easily see 2, 4, 6 people. It is a true 4-berth. I'll show you in a moment where the bed is, and where the television is hidden away. A lot of people wouldn't even know. Now, there's not a lot of these in the country as far as I know. This is the first one I came across in the last 4 years. There you can see the automatic dish, as well as the full-size oven and the freezer and fridge. And you got your cupboard space here. Really nice drain area there for your plates and that, as well as a 3-burner hob. Okay, with the plugs underneath. And then I'll show you in a moment where the television and the bed, which is neatly stored up there. It is an electric drop down bed, which for a 2012 it was quite advanced. Now let me show you how it is in the down position, as well as the television in the up. Okay, now what we need to do, the television is hidden in here, so you just press and it actually slides up, and then you will tilt it around to have a look and view into the lounge area. It's a quite nice feature. It is tucked away, and just press it down and it will stay there. Alright, now the bed, 12 volt needs to be on. We've got the remote control here, and just press down. Now to get it fully down, just so you know, you will basically just flatten this cushion over there, and then drop it down further. As you can see, there's the skylight. It's got 2 cubby holes there, as well as a light. Really nice big bed. The ladder is in the back, as you see, and then you can see there's a nice slat memory foam mattress, slat bed, memory foam mattress as well. And to take it up, we'll just press the button, and you can see how quickly it actually goes up. Really nice feature. of this motorhome. So now we'll move into the bedroom. You've got a privacy curtain here, not a door. And then you've got this lovely big bed, storage underneath, and I can show you in a moment. I'll just lift basically the bed up. Lots of storage and also access to the garage, which is great. Now you will drop down the bed, and then with the remote on that side, you've got two storage cabinets, wardrobes, and two cupboards on the top. Nice big one on the left there, and swinging around you got the toilet and bath basin in one area, and swing around on the other side, a nice big shower. Really nicely fitted out, and this all in a 7.4 meter motorhome. Nice big skylight on the top. Some of them has only got a little one, and I'll show you in a moment what it looks like if the bed is in the upright position. Okay, now the bed is pushed back and in an upright position, and that's all done by that little remote control. Really great. I mean, if you want more space, you can see how much more space there is around the bed now to get in and out of bed, go to the shower and go to the toilet. So yeah, everything will be on Facebook as well as Trade Me. So if you do have any further questions, please comment there and get in touch with us at RV Finders, and we're looking forward to hear from you soon.